Hey guys, it's Adrian once again. This video, I'm going to show you how you can make $100 to $200 a day on Craigslist without spending no money on ads. So let's get started. Okay, guys. First thing you want to do is go to your home state, your home city, and look up different services like plumbers, um, car mechanic people, carpet cleaning people, painters, whatever you want to do. So this video I'm going to show you plumbers, and you look for plumbers under the service department, plumbers, and you find the ones that have phone numbers. So let's say I click on this one right here. Now I know this person don't got no landing page, and he got a contact number. So what you want to do is contact this person, let them know that you can build them a capture page. And with the capture page, show you, and they can sign up for a free account. So you're gonna do this for them for free, and they get this free system for 1 week with no credit card, and you're gonna build them a capture page and let them know they got an Android or an iPhone to download the Conversion Pros app. So with the app we have right here, guys, is when people put their name and email and phone number and the Conversion Pro app on the capture page, what happens is, let me go to that real quick. Now I'm building this capture page for a plumber, and what I did was I got the picture from Google on the image. I just copied the picture. Uh, I named it, everything like that, and then I can do some ad copy. And what I did was I'm just gonna take the ad copy from what they wrote down, so it'd be more congruent with what they said. So I just take the ad copy, the phone number, and make them a page for free. And then what I do is I come back here and I'm gonna start doing some ad copy right now. So I just want to edit this right here. You can make 30 to 40 phone calls a day, guys. Anything you want to do, real estate. You don't just gotta be plumbers, real estate, anything, um, barbershops, whatever. And you giving them this for free, and you making them a page, guys, for free. Mercy plumber, affordable plumbing, Milwaukee, and surrounding areas. And you can like keep this capture page, so you don't got to keep on making new ones like that. You can change the ad copy if you want, guys, on some of them. Okay. Okay. Stop editing this one. So I'm gonna delete this right here. Okay, and I'm gonna delete this right here, guys. Yes. Then I'm gonna click on edit component right here, and then I'm gonna bring a video that I got from YouTube right here. Okay. And then what I'm gonna do is edit the video, okay, and then go to YouTube. And I got a little cartoon video right here. Go back to the page. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paste it right here, and then I wanna okay, click on controls. Okay, click on save. So now I got a video, animation video right here for the plumber right here. Okay, I'll save this, edit this right here. Then I'm gonna do some more ad copy. Service to Milwaukee and areas by professionals. And I'm trying to do this very fast, guys, so very reasonable rates. Okay. And then what I'm gonna do, guys, is stop this. And I'm gonna edit this right here. Okay, then I'm gonna say emergency work or emergency service. Service available, guaranteed. Okay, emergency service available, guaranteed. Work. Contact 414-216 1348. Okay, the next one I'm gonna do, guys, is okay, stop this. I'm gonna edit this right here. Please put your info in below for okay. Then what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna save this real quick. And since this person have no website, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change this real quick right here, and I want to put a thank you image right there. Copy image address, and then just paste it right there. Save. Okay. Save my work. Okay. I'm gonna delete this. Okay, and I want to edit my button right here. Just say click here. Okay, say this right here. And next what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna change the style of the letters and stuff. Very easy, guys, and you can make a couple $100 a day. Just make the phone calls. I want to change this to change the font. Okay, and I want to change the color like yellow. Put a little text shadow so it's a little bit darker. Okay, do the background. Do black. So brings the yellow out. Okay, and then stop editing this. Change some stuff right here. Okay, I'm gonna do Arial black right here. Okay, edit it, save, and I'm gonna come right here. Style this up real quick. Bring this down, and so this is my plumber right here page. So I call all the plumbers and fill them this page. Get them a free account with the system. Okay, do this button real quick. Let's do the font right quick. Area black. Okay, start editing. Save it a couple times. Make sure. Okay, and guys, to learn how to do this landing page, create a landing page real good. We got a lot of training in the back office. Just go under the system training right there, and you'll see a tab. Let me see where it's at. Oh, right here, guys. How to become a master at building high-end looking pages and funnels, guys. And that you can see right here, I just made him a page. So I will call him and let him know I made him a page. I'll let him know how he can use this page and get contact on his phone with our app we have, our phone app, guys, right here. So he can call the person right away. He'll get a notice on his phone that somebody just entered their name and phone number and email for the Conversion Pro app I just built. So he can call right away. And that's very important for professional business people. Okay, and it's the page right here, guys. See how fast that was. You can do it for anything, guys. Make 30 or 40 phone calls a day. Here we go right here. See how I look? It was my landing page right there. Okay. Just the page I just made right here. Get link, copy that. Okay. Copy, paste it in. It's right here, guys. You don't gotta use this picture. You can use any picture you want. And then once they in the back office, they have a free account. They can edit if they want to, guys, and add different text if they want. But this is something that they can use like right away. So let's see if it's work. Let's do some fake name, Ace Deal. Do a fake email address, fake phone number. Click here, and basically it's to say thank you. You can do a different thank you page. I just grabbed one real quick because they didn't have a website to go to. So, but they collected the name and email, guys, and that's very important. So you want to definitely want to collect the name and email and the phone number for the people that you are making your pages for, and now they can advertise on Craigslist, get a domain name for the long URL that you created, or they can go to bit.ly.com and create it from there too, guys. So I'm helping through the all the way through this, guys. But I'm just showing you what you can do, guys, with our system. to make $100 to $200 a day on Craigslist. All right, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed this video and got value. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm gonna keep it coming, guys. All right.